Ever noticed your nails peeling or splitting? It's like the layers are just flaking away, isn't it? You're definitely not alone. Peeling nails are super common. In fact, it's one of the most frequent nail complaints I hear about. It can be both annoying, especially when they snag on everything, and a little worrying, making you wonder if something's wrong. But don't stress. Let's quickly break down why it happens, exploring the common causes behind this frustrating issue, and how you can fix it naturally, using simple and effective home remedies. The top culprits? Well, think about what your hands go through every day. Too much hand washing, especially with those harsh, chemical-laden soaps and sanitizers, can strip away the natural oils that protect your nails. Stress, believe it or not, can also play a significant role, affecting your body's ability to absorb nutrients. And speaking of nutrients, not getting enough of the essentials like calcium, which is crucial for nail strength, and biotin, a B vitamin that promotes healthy nail growth, can all leave your nails dry, brittle, and prone to peeling. It's a combination of external factors and internal deficiencies that often leads to this problem. But here's the good news. Despite how annoying or persistent peeling nails can be, there are simple, natural ways to help your nails recover and regain their strength and vitality. You don't need expensive treatments or harsh chemicals. First, hydrate from the inside out. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Water is essential for overall health, and that includes keeping your nails hydrated and flexible. And don't forget to moisturize your nails and cuticles daily, ideally with a good quality cuticle oil or a rich hand cream to lock in that precious moisture and create a protective barrier against dryness. Consistency is key here. Make it a regular part of your routine. Next, try soaking your nails in warm olive oil for 10 minutes a few times a week. Olive oil is a fantastic natural emollient, packed with nutrients that can penetrate the nail and cuticle, providing deep hydration and promoting healing. It's a simple remedy, readily available in most kitchens, that can make a big difference in the health and appearance of your nails. Or dab a little apple cider vinegar on your nails using a cotton pad. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which can help strengthen them and balance their pH, creating a less hospitable environment for fungal growth and promoting overall nail health. Just be sure to dilute it with water if you have sensitive skin. And don't forget, nutrition plays a vital role. Eat a balanced diet with plenty of leafy greens, which are rich in vitamins and minerals, nuts, a great source of healthy fats and protein, and eggs, packed with biotin and other essential nutrients to give your nails the building blocks they need to grow strong and healthy. With a little TLC, consistent care, and a focus on natural remedies, your nails can bounce back, strong, smooth, and beautiful. Remember, patience is key. It takes time for nails to grow and repair themselves. Take care of them, nourish them from the inside and out, and they'll take care of you, reflecting your overall health and well-being.